Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the fifth chapter, creatures around us. Creatures around us. In the previous class, we discussed about the structure of the insects. Today we will discuss about the types of insects. What are the types of insects? Okay, here three types of insects are there. How many types? Three types of insects are there. In this, the first one is social insects. Social insects, SOCIAL, social insects, and useful insects, and also the harmful insects. Harmful insects here. Here coming to these are the three types of insects. Okay, here today we'll discuss about the social insects. Okay, what are social insects? What are the types? How many the types of insects? How they are going to work? Still discuss. First is the social insects. We'll discuss now. In this social insects, what is the meaning of social insects here? Insects which are living together. Okay, they are not here and there living. They are living together only, and they are also working in the groups. And in order to survive, in order to live, are called as the social insects. Social means they are living together and also working together in groups in order to survive. Survive means in order to live, are called as the social insects. Okay, some of the social insects we will discuss now. Here, first one is the wasps. WASPS, wasps. This is nothing but this is the one type of insect. Which insect? Social insect. Here coming to useful insects, harmful insects, they won't live together. They won't work together, groups. They won't work in group. But here social only, they are living together and working in groups to survive. Okay. Here in this, the first example is the wasps. We will discuss about the wasps now. So many are there. Wasps are there. For example, for the social insects. Bees, ants. These are the examples of social insects. First we will discuss about the wasps. Here, wasps, they are living in colonies. Just as we are living in the colony, so particular colony, here wasps also living in the colonies only. Here all the insects, they are building their nest, good. Okay, these wasps also building their nests. They build their nests. How they are building their nests? By using the wood pulp. Inside the wood pulp is there, no? That is gummy substance coming. That is you can buy if you are opening the wood. Inside you are observing the pulp. You can say that one. Okay, gum-like substance. Okay, with the help of that wood pulp, and also with the help of their saliva. Saliva means that is water-like substance. Okay, in our body saliva is nothing but the inside, that is tongue. In mouth we are having saliva, lala jalam. For the wood also it is having the saliva. Wood pulp, with the help of the wood pulp and with the help of their saliva, these wasps are able to build their nests. Here, coming to the wasp colony, they are living in colonies, no wasp? This wasp colony, here if you are seeing the nest, it is having that hundreds of wasps in one colony. In one nest, how they are building the nest like this. In that nest, in that gudu, that is hundreds of wasps are living. In that hundreds of wasps, one is the queen wasp. Queen means Rani. Only one is there. Okay, and the rest are the remaining all are workers only. Remaining what? Only one queen. Remaining what? Workers. Okay. What are queen? What are workers? We'll discuss the after this next insect. We'll discuss about that one. Okay. Here only coming to the wasp colony. Only one queen is there, and the remaining total rest are workers only. This is about the wasps. Next example coming to the social insects. It is the bees. Bees, bees. Okay. Here bees, they are living in a beehive. As we are having the house or home, these bees, they are having a beehive. Okay. Here the that is, we can see the house of bees, we are calling it as a beehive. They are building a nest, no? That is a beehive, we can say. That is, beehive means bees nest. Okay, bees, they are living in a beehive. Okay, here if you are seeing a beehive, it is having thousands of bees. How many? Coming to wasp, it is having hundreds of bees. But coming to the bees, it is having thousands of bees it is having. Okay, if you are seeing the honey bees, it is making, if you are observing it carefully, here they are making hexagonal structure. Hexagonal means this one. 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How they are making, if you are observing it clearly, it is making hexagonal structure in a beehive. Beehive means house for the bees is nothing but the beehive. Or nest for bees, we are calling it as the beehive. Okay, these honeybees, they are making this hexagonal structure. Okay, in a beehive, it is known as the honeycomb. Honeycomb. Bees means simply you can say it as the bees honey. They are preparing honey. Thenetigal. Okay, bees nothing but thenetigal. They are making the honey here. Okay, that is, they are making hexagonal structure in a beehive. It is known as the honeycomb. It is known as what? Honeycomb. Okay, in this structure, if you are seeing in this structure, okay, it is honeybees, what they are doing? They are storing eggs and honey. In this one, in this hive, they are storing honey and also they are storing the eggs. Okay, each honeycomb, if you are seeing the honeycomb, this one, this is the honeycomb, no, hexagonal structure is honeycomb, no. Each honeycomb, it is having a queen bee, one queen bee. Here also one queen bee. Anywhere one queen bee only there. Rani okkade untaru kada, like that. One queen is there. And worker bees also there. So many worker bees are there. And also here male bees also there. Queens are the female one. Okay. Worker bees, both males and females, you can say. Generally males only workers here. And also male bees also there here. Okay. Here what is the function of this queen bee here? Queen. Here also one queen is there, no? What is the? This is the female one. Queen is the female one. Here queen, it is laying, queen bee, it lays eggs. What it is do is, what it does? It lays eggs. Male bees, what they will do? They help in the reproduction. They help in the reproduction to lay the eggs. Queen bee is laying eggs, but male bee, it is helping in the reproduction. Okay, male bee. What it is doing here, male bee? Helping in reproduction. Helping in reproduction to lay the eggs for the queen bee. Okay. Here and what the worker bees are doing? 3 are there for bees, no? Queen, male bee and worker bees. Here, what is worker bees? These are doing here. Here, worker bees go out to collect the nectar. Okay, nectar is present in the flowers. Already we know, attractive flowers, beautiful flowers. This in that previous classes we discussed that these bees they are going and they are collecting nectar from the flowers. Here, what these worker bees are doing? What is workers? The name itself is their workers. They are doing work, no? Worker bees. Worker bees, what they are doing? They are collecting. They go out. Inside the beehive, they are not having no flowers. They are not having. For searching of the flowers, they have to go out. These worker bees, they go out and they collect the nectar. Where is nectar present? Nectar is present in the flowers. That is collection. Function of these workers is collection. That is collecting of nectar from the flowers. Okay. I will discuss about the different types of bees. Already we discussed queen bee, male bee, workers. But we will discuss in detail one by one. Okay, children? Okay, coming to the queen bee. First one is the queen bee. Coming to the queen bee here, it is the largest one of all the three types of bees. Among queen, male bee and workers, this queen bee is the largest of all the three types of bees. Okay. Here coming to this queen bee, there is only one queen bee in a beehive. Beehive is for the bees, it is having a nest that is known as a beehive. Just as we are having house, this bees also having a nest or house that we are calling it as a beehive. Here coming to this one queen, there is only one queen bee in a beehive. One beehive, one queen bee. Other beehive, other one queen bee. Only one is there. What it is doing? It is laying eggs. Already we discussed it here. She we are calling. Why means it is a female one. Female one, that's why we are calling it as a she. S-H-E, she. Okay, female one, no? Not male. Male means he, we have to say. She helps in laying the eggs. Coming to this lifespan, how much it is living. Lifespan means how much it is living. That is, lifespan of this queen bee is maximum is 3 to 4 years only it will live. Ours, human beings, actually 100, but we are now, actual our lifespan is 100 years. Lifespan means that is life up to how many years we are living. That is the lifespan. Our lifespan is 100 years, but we are not able to live up to that age due to these diseases and everything, health problems and accidents also. But here, for the queen, the maximum lifespan is only 3 to 4 years. That's all. Only how much? 3 to 4 years. In the middle, they can die anytime. They can lay eggs. Okay. And after that, they will die. Maximum is 3 to 4 years only. After 4 years, they won't live. They will die. Okay. Coming to the male bees. What is male bees doing? These are also known as drones. Male bees are also known. This is also important, children. Drones. D-R-O-N-E-S. Drones. Other name of male is drones. Star question. Okay. Their function is to help, already we discussed, help in the reproduction. Here coming to the size, okay, queen bee is the largest one. Coming to the male bee, here it is smaller than the queen bee. Compared to the queen bee, this male bee, that is drones, they are smaller when compared to the queen bees. Queen bee, only one is there, no, queen bee. But when it is seeing when we are observing these worker bees, they are larger than the worker bees. Okay. They are smaller than the queen bees and they are larger than the worker bees. Okay, children. Here they have lifespan, average lifespan of the only 2 months only. How many months they are living? This male are drones. They are living up to about 2 months only. 2 years, not 2 months. Just see here. So much difference is there. Here 4 years. That is compared to this one. This is better queen bee. At least it is living 3 to 4 years. But here compared to the male or drones, they are living up to 2 months only. Okay, their lifespan is average lifespan of this male bees is about 2 months only. Okay, children, just you see here. Okay, queen bee and the male bee. Okay, just I will show you the diagram how the queen bee, how the female. Just you see it here. This is the wasp beehive, the wasp hive you can say. They are living in colonies, no? Just you see here. Coming to this one, this is the wasps here. These are the bees. Beehive, just you see here. This is the beehive, how it is building the beehive. Just you see here. And coming to this one, these are the queen bee. Just to see here, queen bee. How it is queen bee. Coming to the male bee. This is a male bee. Size also less only, no, just you see here, up to here only. Male bee. These are the worker bees. Worker bees. Okay. Okay, children. We discussed about the queen and male bees. In the next class, we will discuss about the worker bee. It is somewhat more description it is having. Okay, children? Okay. Here the homework for you is, today's homework is, just write this one. What are the queen bees, what are the male bees? Lifespan and everything. Social insects, you put heading and write it here as the queen bee, male bee. That is, you write about the wasps and also you write about the bees. This is a homework for you. Queen bee, male bee. Up to here you write it. What are the points you understood? You write neatly in your notebook and send me the pic, children. This is a homework for you. Okay, children. Bye for today's class.